Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app on your Robinhood app. All you have to do just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So then you click here on notifications in the messages, click on it here. Then come to this list. So then you click here on push notifications. Then come to this list here. Then all you have to do just go down here, click here on stock price movements here. So then you come here to stock price movements, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.